The DJI Air 3 impressed everyone with its dual camera system, strong flight performance, and smart tracking features. Now, leaks and rumours about the DJI Air 4 are gaining momentum, hinting at exciting upgrades like a possible 6K video-capable camera. In this video, we break down all the major leaks, what to expect in terms of design and performance, and when the DJI Air 4 might officially take flight. The DJI Air 3 set a high bar for mid-range drones. Now, with leaks of a prototype model reportedly belonging to the upcoming DJI Air 4, we are starting to get a glimpse of how DJI plans to evolve the Air series. From the leaked images and analysis of a crashed unit, the DJI Air 4 is adopting several design elements seen in higher-end models, like the upcoming DJI Mavic 4. The overall body shape seems slightly more angular and refined. One major visible change is the placement of new sensors on the top, which some speculate will allow them to serve both upward and rearward detection roles. Notably, the arms of the Air 4 appear to be reinforced and more robust than those of the Air 3. A top-mounted LED beacon also seems to be part of the design, likely aimed at improving visibility during low light or nighttime flights. Given DJI's trend with recent remote controllers, it is likely the Air 4 will be compatible with the RC2 or a newer version, offering a high-resolution screen with minimal latency and improved brightness for outdoor use. The sensor setup on the DJI Air 4 could be one of the most significant upgrades in this generation. Leaks point to a redesigned sensor array that includes top-facing modules capable of covering multiple directions. The absence of dedicated rear sensors has raised some eyebrows, but DJI might implement a strategy where top-mounted sensors will handle both upward and backward obstacle detection. If this pans out, the DJI Air 4 could still achieve effective omnidirectional avoidance while using fewer components. There are also hints that LiDAR-like enhancements could be included, possibly boosting performance in low-light obstacle sensing. Overall, the new sensor arrangement could mark a subtle but meaningful change in how mid-range drones handle their environment. One of the strong suits of the DJI Air 3 was its intelligent flight features, including active track, master shots, and waypoint navigation. With the Air 4, DJI is expected to push this even further. The DJI Air 4 will introduce a set of upgraded AI-powered flight modes. These could include enhanced subject tracking that better handles fast-moving or erratically moving subjects. Improvements in object recognition and predictive path tracking may allow the drone to follow complex trajectories more smoothly and with greater accuracy. It is also rumoured that DJI may introduce smarter cinematic presets, allowing creators to capture dynamic footage with minimal manual input. These presets might involve not just camera movement, but also flight patterns adjusted in real time based on environmental feedback. As for connectivity, the Air 4 is expected to make the leap to the O4 Plus transmission system. This would improve real-time video transmission, likely enabling higher resolution live feeds over longer distances. Reports mention a possible transmission range of up to 15 kilometers. Camera capabilities are always a major talking point, and the DJI Air 4 is rumoured to bring noticeable improvements in this department as well. The dual camera system from the Air 3, which included a wide-angle and telephoto lens, is likely to return, only this time with upgraded sensors and better optics. Leaked reports indicate that the wide-angle camera may feature a 1-inch sensor. If true, this would be a major step up from the 1/1.3-inch sensor used in the Air 3. A larger sensor typically results in better dynamic range, improved low light performance, and richer color reproduction. There is also speculation around the addition of a mechanical shutter. This would reduce rolling shutter artifacts, especially in high-speed pans or while capturing fast-moving subjects. Another rumored improvement is the inclusion of a variable aperture, which would allow users to control exposure more precisely without relying solely on neutral density filters. Perhaps the most exciting rumor is that the Air 4 could support 6K video recording. If this feature is confirmed, it would represent a significant leap from the 4K at 60 frames per second offered by the Air 3. These camera upgrades, if implemented, could make the DJI Air 4 one of the most appealing drones for content creators. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3 was its impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes under ideal conditions. The DJI Air 4 is rumoured to take this even further, reaching up to 50 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This improvement could be made possible by slightly larger capacity batteries and more efficient power management. For pilots, this increase in flight time could mean the difference between completing a full session or having to land early and swap batteries. DJI has not officially announced the Air 4, but based on patterns from past launches and leaked prototype sightings, we can speculate a release window in late 2025. Some early predictions place the announcement around October or November, which would line up well with DJI's usual product calendar. As for pricing, the DJI Air 3 debuted at $1099. Given the rumoured enhancements in sensors, imaging, and intelligent features, the DJI Air 4 may carry a slight premium. Estimates suggest a possible starting price of around $1,199 to $1,299 for the standard version, with Fly More combo packages possibly reaching up to $1,599 USD. The DJI Air 4, while still unannounced, is quickly shaping up to be one of the most anticipated drones in its class. Building on the strong foundation laid by the Air 3, it is expected to offer refined design elements, an improved sensor array, smarter AI features, better imaging capabilities, and longer flight times. The possibility of 6K video, 1-inch sensors, and O4+ transmission signals a clear push toward making the Air series even more capable for creators and pilots who demand more without stepping into full professional drone territory. As with all rumours, it is wise to take these leaks with some caution until DJI makes things official. But if the leaked prototype and insider information are anything to go by, the DJI Air 4 could be a major leap forward, not just a minor refresh. Stay tuned as more information comes in. Check the description box for some great deals on DJI drones. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.